Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back, crew, who I call my subbies, and welcome if you're watching me for the first time. I'm Desiree Marie and I do LOC videos. I talk about LOCs all the time. I show you guys my LOC journey. I've been LOCed for 2 years now, and I show you guys everything, the good, the bad, and the ugly, the ups and the downs, everything that I do, from washing to styling, maintaining my hair. I do it all here on camera, just bringing you guys a really in-depth, up close and personal look so that you really get an understanding of what my LOC journey looks like and hopefully get inspiration for yours. So if you are not subscribed, what are you looking at me for? You're not subscribed? Go ahead and click the subscribe button and become a part of the crew, because I upload almost every single day. But yes, welcome back to yet another LOC video. Today I'm going to be washing my hair, and yeah, I think it's about time because my hair feels a little crispy, and it's just time. So right now I have it in this like low maintenance hairstyle. I just simply like twist one side back and secure it with bobby pins, and I find that that style helps me not to have to do so much to my hair where I'm pulling and tugging at the roots and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna take these pins out now because it is time. It is time. And I need to wash my hair. I also will be retwisting, but that's another video. I will be retwisting these roots that I have been pretty much semi-free-forming for some time now. Yeah. Okay, so just a quick hair update. Yes, my hair feels a little dry right now, so that is indication that I need to wash it. Also, it just feels kind of like tight, and the locks are not as poofy and like full and airy, you know? It just feels like it just needs some TLC. My roots are dry as well. When you know your hair needs to be washed, it's very evident. And for me, lately I have not put so much in my hair. The only thing I put in was the hair oils that I use, and that's it. That's pretty much all. And just spray my hair every morning, wearing hats, leaving my hair down, doing that, you know, flat twist style on the side. Just trying not to do too much, and also just trying to find a way to look decent, even though my roots are like in desperate need of some retwisting. I do like the semi-freeform look, but it like sometimes I do want it to have a nice tightened finish. I can only do but so much with my hair like this, and then I get tired of seeing it like this. I do love the I do also love the volume that, you know, my roots, the puffy roots, give me when I don't retwist so much. But it's time, because I haven't retwisted since I think last year. When I got this hair color, I didn't even retwist. I left it just so. But I'm happy because it allowed me to thicken my roots, really strengthen my roots, and not have to keep, you know, winding my locks until there's no lock left at all. So my roots are pretty thick and I'm enjoying that. I do know that it's like kind of a tangled mess as far as parting space in the back, especially where my looser hair is, like on the bottom of my, like the nape of my neck right there. I told you guys in a previous video where I just showed you all the textures and different kinks and quirks about my hair, that in the back my hair has like a more looser curl texture, and so that texture tends to tangle very easily, and so I have some roots that are all over the place, mangled and all of that stuff. But yeah, that's just me not exactly separating those locks in the back. But we're gonna handle that in a different video. Today I want to wash my hair and I want to try a hair rinse. I got this idea from one of you guys that asked me a question, and you asked me, what do you think about tea rinses? And I realized I've never tried a tea rinse on my hair, but I hear about it all the time. There are benefits to tea rinsing your hair. I don't really see a whole lot of people with locks that are doing it. So this is a great opportunity to show you guys what that might look like on, you know, our hair type. I'm gonna start off by washing my hair, and no, I'm not using this shampoo that I used the last time. My last hair update, I did use this, and this is actually meant to preserve the color in your hair, but it leaves my hair dry and I don't like that. So I'm going to use my good old faithful moisturizing shampoo and do a hot oil treatment as well to further boost, you know, moisture back into my hair, because my hair looks it feels so dry. It may not look dry because of the color, but it feels very dry. So I'm going to use what I have left in this. I don't know if it's enough. If not, I'll just kind of mix it in with this. But okay, enough stalling. I'm just going to get into the shower right now, wash my hair, and I'll be right back. So I am all done washing my hair. Now I am going to, first of all, I have some shampoo left, hold on. All right, so I'm back, and I have a question for you guys. What do you use to dry your hair after you wash it? Let me know down below. I'm just very curious and I want to know. But anyway, now that I'm done washing my hair, I'm going to grab my peppermint, ginger, lemon tea hair spritz. And I'm pretty much experimenting with this right now because of the fact that I have just recently started seeing like little hairs. You know, whenever I would wash my hair, just little hairs on the tub or around the sink. So I know that that means breakage, and we don't have time for that. So tea rinses are meant to help with breakage. It's a very natural way to combat that, and also like hair loss and so forth. So I want to give it a try, and what I'm going to do right now is just begin spraying it. Now I'm hearing that you have to focus on the roots, so that's what I'll do, focus on the roots. Perhaps I should put like a t-shirt around my neck. Hold on. All right, that just looked like The Grudge. But we're moving on. So I'm going to continue spraying my roots. So the hair rinse that I created here includes the peppermint, lemon, and ginger ingredients. And so each of these ingredients have so many great benefits. I just wanted to tell you guys the benefits of each one and why I chose to go with this one. So ginger helps to promote hair growth, reduces hair loss, makes hair soft and shiny, gets rid of dandruff, and promotes thicker hair. Ginger creates a nice warm sensation on your scalp, which promotes more scalp circulation, and it also fights free radicals to prevent damaged hair cells. Peppermint is another great ingredient that increases the scalp circulation, promoting hair growth, and it also minimizes dandruff, and it smells really great. So when combining all of these power-packed ingredients, you end up with a nice hair growth tea rinse that you can also use as a leave-in conditioner that you can use to prevent dandruff in between washes, keep your hair smelling really great, and also boosting the moisture, allowing for more hair growth. Alright, so I pretty much sprayed all over my head and all of my locks, so they're pretty much nice and soaked. So what I'm going to do is leave this. Oh, actually I heard that you should massage your scalp while this is in, just a little bit. So I'm gonna massage my scalp for a little bit and then keep this in my hair for about 15 minutes and then rinse it out and proceed to do my hot oil treatment. But so far, it feels so good on the scalp. It feels nice and cooling and refreshing. I mean, my tea mix is not exactly the strongest, but I do still feel the nice cooling sensation from the peppermint. Yeah, I mostly feel the peppermint, and that feels great. Also, I feel my roots are like the texture is a little like loose. I can't even explain it. Like, it just feels soft. That's the word. The roots feel super soft, and yeah. But I'm just gonna continue. I kind of look crazy right now doing that. I'm gonna continue massaging and just leave my hair down so that it can, you know, do what it has to do, run down the length of my hair until it is time for me to rinse this out. But I definitely can tell a difference in that my hair feels soft. It feels very soft and almost refreshed, like it's just exhaling. For so long it was dry and it was kind of uptight, and now it feels like it's just, thank you. So that's a good sign. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this alone, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and I'll be back to rinse it out. Stay tuned. All right, so it has been about 15 minutes. My hair, my roots really feel nice and moisturized, and I'm happy about that. And the funny thing is, I didn't use my moisturizing shampoo. I actually used the Color Crazed shampoo, which is, last time it was drying, but I feel like using this spritz helped my hair to soften. So I guess this is a nice little, something nice to try after washing your hair, especially if you don't use conditioner. That's a good alternative. But in order to really get the moisture, because I'm not about to wash my hair and end up with dry hair again, I have warmed up some coconut oil like I did the last time. So yeah, it's not a whole lot, but it's just enough to cover my head. And I'm just gonna go ahead and you know what, I should probably pour it in my hand and then put it on my hair. So yeah, for the subscriber who asked me about tea rinses, I think it's amazing. Like I said in the last video, it really depends on the type of herb that you use, the type of tea that you use in your hair. There are so many herbs, and you can use, you know, different herbs if you want a different, you know, result. Say if you want moisture, a moisture boost, you use, you know, a different combination of herbs. Or if you want to combat dryness and dandruff and flaky scalp, you use a different set of herbs like rosemary. Hair growth is hibiscus, and also ginger. And yeah, so there's so many different herbs. You can just play around with them all day. I definitely encourage you guys to just do your research. Check out which herbs cater to whatever issue that you're having with your hair, and go ahead and try the hair rinse, because I think it's awesome. Awesome. Obviously, you don't want to use too much in your hair concoction, but you want to use a moderate amount of herbs and not steep them for a long period of time. So yeah. But I'm still learning about that, so I really can't tell too much. But I'm gonna continue just pouring this oil. Ooh, that feels so good. Yes, just keep pouring this on my head. Oh my gosh, if you guys are not doing hot oil treatments, you are missing out. This feels so great. Make sure all of my scalp is getting it, and just work my way down the length of my hair. And like last time, I'm gonna grab my plastic bag, okay? Don't judge me, but this plastic bag never does me wrong. So I'm gonna go ahead and stuff this these locks in the bag and tie it. This bag is durable, believe it or not. This bag is very durable. Ooh. All right, so I guess what I'll do now is just cover it with this t-shirt. Make sure that my towel is not exposing me on camera. Make sure this is nice and taut. Maybe take a rubber band and like kind of hold it together. And I'm just gonna chill just like this for like maybe half an hour to 45 minutes. Eat my dinner, watch Netflix, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so it is the next morning and this is how my hair has progressed. I left in the coconut oil overnight just because of the fact that it really wasn't a whole lot of coconut oil, so my hair feels really good. It feels refreshed and I love it. I think that I'm going to start keeping this around as a leave-in spray just so that I can give my hair a different way of hydrating instead of just that boring regular water that I use. A little bit of hydrating spray to see, you know, how that works with my hair and so forth. But I really love the results. My roots still feel moisturized. I'm about to go ahead and retwist, but my hair feels great. It feels strong and feels like it's refreshed back to normal. So I'm excited. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you have ever done a tea rinse, let us know down below so that maybe I can do something different and see what's working for you and see if it works for me, you know. And yeah, and it will be encouraging to others to get started on trying out the tea rinse because I think it's a great idea. I think it's something cool to incorporate into your hair routine to boost moisture and retain moisture and keep your locks as juicy as possible. So that's all that I have to say. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you're not subscribed, definitely do subscribe for lock videos almost every day, and I'll see you in the next video. Later. Bye.